Okay, hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Cintex steel wool. Steel wool, yes. What this is used for by most people, it's used for cleaning pots and pans. It's a steel wool that's wrapped up, it's kind of wrapped into a roll here. You use it to get in there and get all that grit and grime out of your pots and pans and the inside of your stove or an oven, or on the top sides of your oven, on your burners and your grills, things like that, Mostly what I use these for is when I'm detailing my car and I need to get in there on the rims and get all that grit and grime out of the rims. Like a lot of rims have fancy designs and everything, and it's hard to get it in to all the cracks and everything. So what I usually do is I'll wrap this around like some kind of a rod or a stick or something and get in there and scrub all the little corners and everything is when I'm detailing, really feeling like, oh, I want my car to look good. So I get in there and this gets all the grime and stuff out, Yeah, and it works very well. I've used this for pretty good long time, probably close to about 4 years now, and I mean that's what I mainly use it for, and I like it a lot. But I also use it for the grills and stuff, because I mean it's just harsh enough, I mean as far as the abrasiveness, to clean out, get in there and get all those little nicks and crannies of grit and stuff that is left behind by cooking. But it's soft also. That's the thing. It's just enough, just abrasive enough to do what it needs to do without leaving like harsh scratches on whatever you're cleaning. It's good, it really is. And it's very affordable. This one, I mean, you can get it for like a song. It's really, 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 really cheap, and these last. You can add this to, I mean, use it with any kind of industrial cleaner or just any kind of cleaner itself, like in soap and water or whatever, and you can rinse it and it rinses clean, and you can keep using it over and over again. Yeah. Now the thing is with this also, what you have to worry about, and what I tend to worry about with this, is it sheds. It sheds, meaning it doesn't just stay like this. You will find pieces, like you see all that? This comes off of there. So you have to be careful using this like on things that you're going to eat with. Like if you're going to use this to clean out your pots and pans, make sure after you scrub this out with that, with this, you clean your pot really, really good, so you can get rid of all of this. That's the only part that really kind of bothers me, is it sheds like that. So normally I would not use this on like any cups or plates or anything like that, because the shedding is just too abundant. And look at that, it's a lot. So you have to use this on, usually, like you should just probably, I mean, if it's me, I would only use it like the inside of the stoves and stuff, but not, or the burners and the grills where the fire is, in there. I won't use it on things that, like, I'll put food on, like a plate or a drinking glass or something like that, because I don't want to mistakenly get any of this in there. That's the only downside to this. should not shed that way. But like I said, most of the time I'm only using this really most of the time for my car and to, clean out those dirty spots on my rims. But other than the shedding, it being such an abundant amount of shedding, it's really good. I mean, it gets in there and does what it's supposed to do. Very, very, very affordable, and you get a lot of them. Yeah, more than you'll ever need. But yeah, other than the shedding, it's a very good product, and I've been using this for several years now, and it's very, very, very good. It gets right in there, and like I said, it's abrasive just enough, but it's also soft. That's what it's supposed to do. It's good. All right, well, that is the Cintex Steel Wool. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.